What ethical challenges arise for judges in minor guardianship? Imagine being in a room where you have to decide who will care for a child, knowing your decision impacts a young life forever. That's what judges face in minor guardianship cases. These situations are complex and requiring careful thought. When a judge appoints a guardian for a child because the parents are unable or unfit, many ethical questions pop up. The first challenge is figuring out how much the child can and should share about what they want. Children vary a lot in how mature they are, and judges need to judge their ability to understand and express their wishes. But it's tricky because overestimating a child's decision-making skills can lead to choices that aren't truly in their best interest. Another big challenge is balancing the rights of the parents with what's best for the child. Parents have a constitutional right to raise their children, but sometimes their ability to do so isn't safe or healthy. Judges must decide when to set aside those rights to protect the child's safety and well-being. This can be a tough call because it involves ethical tension. The standard used is what's called the best interests of the child, but that can be subjective. Judges need to consider many factors like safety, emotional health, and family ties, all while trying to be fair and consistent. Managing conflicts of interest is also a key challenge. Judges must stay impartial, even when family dynamics or cultural differences might influence their judgment. They need to be aware of potential biases and avoid favoritism. They also relying on court-appointed advocates, like guardians ad litem, to speak for the child's interests. If these advocates do not perform well or their opinions clash with what the child wants, the judge has to step in and make sure the child's needs come first. Protecting the child's privacy is another important concern. Guardianship cases often involve sensitive family details, and judges have an ethical duty to keep this information confidential. At the same time, they need to be transparent about the process to ensure fairness. Lastly, practical issues like limited time and resources can make it harder for judges to fully understand each case. They might not have enough time to meet with the child or thoroughly investigate the situation, which can affect the fairness of their decision. All these challenges requiring judges to carefully weigh legal rules, the child's developmental stage, and family circumstances. Their goal is to make decisions that truly serve the child's best interests while respecting everyone's rights and maintaining fairness.